Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid Ali Haider, your investment partner here in Istanbul, Turkey, and right now I am one of the best locations of western part of Istanbul, which is very close to sea and surrounded by lush green trees. Guys, you know that normally I am recording the project which are offering citizenship with the minimum $400,000 up to $500,000 budget. But if you are looking for citizenship only with the minimum threshold budget like $400,000 or $500,000, this project and this video is not for you. So don't waste your time by watching this video, because the minimum property size of this project is 3+1 and the minimum price is starting with $2 million. So let me bring you to the manager of this project to acquire more knowledge about this project. Let's come with me.
So the first thing, as you know, it's about the location. This location is the location where Ataturk himself was living here. So it's Florya.
Ataturk was living in this area.
Yes.
Oh, it's a knowledge to me.
He had a palace here, and you can visit it. It's Ataturk Koşku, as I
wow,
heard
that's
that.
great.
Yeah. So Ataturk himself was living here. So this location is for rich people, and you don't see high building. You just see some villas. The access is really nice. You can easily access to everywhere in just a couple of minutes. You can access to the airport in less than 30 minutes. You can access to the E5 highway. You can access to the coastline in just a couple of minutes. And in this neighborhood, we have lots of things that you need for your daily life. We have shopping malls, we have hospitals, we have universities, we have parks, everything in just a couple of minutes, less than 2-3 minutes.
Wow.
So the access, the location is just amazing for rich people and a really high profile. And the project in this neighborhood is the only new project. Okay, the previous one was at least 15 years ago. So this is the only new project in this area, and it has just 96 flats in a 20,000 meters land. We have from 3+1 to 7+1 options. So spacious, so spacious flats. The owner of this project is the owner of LC Waikiki, so it's really famous, and
yeah,
everyone
of course,
knows
it is very
that.
famous. Every international tourist, when they come to Turkey, they know LC Waikiki.
Yeah, they are a really nice family, and they are so rich. And this project is for their own living. They want to live here. They are choosing their neighbors, and because of that, this project is so different. So we have, as I said, few flats, and as I said, from 3+1 to 7+1. Most of the apartments, they have their own maid rooms, and we have a special places for the drivers, bodyguards, in our parking space.
Wow.
Now this project is ready to move. The interior design is amazing. We are using really high quality materials, mostly from European Union. We are using natural wood, natural stones. We are using Italian cabinets. We are using German accessory for the kitchen. Everything is really high profile. We are using really high ceiling in our apartments, 3.3 is our ceiling apartments.
3.3?
3.3, yes.
Good. You know, 7+1 apartment you keep.
Yeah, actually 7+1 is 700 meters. And
oh my God, it's more than a villa.
Yeah, it looks like a villa, but it's kind of penthouse, and there is an elevator inside it, actually. And we are using special design and special thing for our special clients. This is the thing that we choose for our client, the best.
Wow.
Actually, the location, the owner, the facilities, and everything. The facilities, if I want to say, we have whatever thing you want. We have pool, gym, fitness area, Turkish bath, sauna, even the playing ground, closed playing ground for children, which has football, basketball, trampoline, rock hiking. We have everything in this project. It looks like a really private concept in this project.
How far it is from the sea?
900 meters.
900, yani by walk you can reach to the sea.
Yeah, it depends on you, but I'm saying 6-7 minutes by walk, you can access to the sea, you can access to the shopping mall, which is directly next to the sea.
Normally, I believe the guy who will be investing like minimum $2 million, they don't
Yes.
need to access to the public transport, but it is a metropolitan city and every time there is, heavy traffic on the road. So how
Exactly.
far it is from the public transport like Marmarai or, Metrobus or something?
As you mentioned, so the one who is living here, they don't need to use public transport, but the access to the public transport in the emergency times, it's really
Now
important.
for their servants like
Yes.
driver or
Yeah,
maid
driver,
or
people,
Yeah.
maybe there's traffic or something. From the Metrobus, you can access, it's less than 1 kilometer, okay, so you can access really easy. But the metro, the Marmaray metro, which is passing through the European side to the Asian side, it's less than 800 meters from us. So
That's
you can
great.
access in 2-3 minutes.
And when we talk about the area, I can see there are old trees inside the project. So
Yeah.
before that, it was a garden or something. What?
It was kind of a garden, and it was a villas, several villas, and we just demolished them and made it a big project. So, but normally in this neighborhood, it's like kind of like a villa concept. So you see lots of trees. This area is so green that there is a national park next to here, which is like 66 hectare.
Oh,
So it's
mashallah,
amazing green
Yeah.
area in this project.
gigantic.
Yes.
Yeah, I can clearly see that here greenery meets sea and sea meets sky. Everything is here.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
perfect.
It's like that.
By the way, as we discussed earlier, that the minimum price is $2 million.
$2 million,
Of course, the guy who is investing $2 million, I'm not, curious that is it suitable for citizenship or no. I'm sure that it is.
It is,
The
yes.
point is, if someone is going to invest minimum $2 million or up to how much? 4 million, 5 million?
$4.5 million.
$4.5 million. So, do you think that they can have a safe exit if they want to sell it?
If I want to mention, this area is so popular for Turkish people. So 99% of the people who are living in Florida are Turkish. So you can easily sell this project to the local people. And this project, as I said, it's unique because there is no new project. So this area is really the people want to live in this area. So if they ask for something new, you are the only one who has this one. And there is no other land in this area. So this is unique for sell and for resell and everything. And your clients are kind of saying, they are in the line.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Raza Bhai. I think we covered all the points, but if you need more information, you can reach us out at our WhatsApp. And nowadays, we are recording videos which are only for the elite class, the unique properties with unique concept, and it shows the luxury. So from now to onward, only super elite class can contact us. Otherwise, don't waste our time. Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you, Raza Bhai.
Thank you.